Hello, this is Tony of Tony's Tutorials. I'm just about to talk to you about how to get Create Studio 3 to render properly. There are several problems that you might come across which cause it not to publish a video by not rendering completely, and what you can do is initially, before you even go on the actual app, you could just go to your Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using, click on settings, go to the settings of whichever browser it is, privacy and security, delete browsing data. So you click on that and then click delete data, and it'll delete the data there. Right, so you need to do these before sometimes because it can affect it. Right, as well as that, you need to go to your hard drive of your computer, which is, for me, it's the C drive, like that. And then what you need to do is you click on properties there, disk cleanup. If you do that, you can do that. So you just click disk cleanup, and it should clean up system files as well. You can do that if you wish, but just press OK, and you should do. Are you sure you want to delete these files? And you just click yes, and it'll automatically do a cache cleanup on your hard drive, right, like that. Okay, then once you've done that, you can also check for, if you're on Windows especially, go to your settings and check for updates. Right, so you go Windows Update, check for updates, like that. If it checks for updates, then you might have to reset the computer or restart it once you've done any updates. Hopefully that should be alright. Yeah, check for updates. Or I'm up to date, so that's fine. Right, so that's another thing you can do. As well as that, what you need to do is go on to computer management. If you can't get it there, you just click in computer management into the search bar. Make sure it's looking for your computer. And then you go to device manager there, right? And then you check for devices. Any that have got an X by them, you need to update them. I've got an error message or anything. You just check them and see if there's any errors. If there's any errors on any other devices, then you need to update that device driver. Right, so what you do is you go to the particular one. Let's go to one down here, like this one. Mouse, properties, driver, and then you can update the driver that way. You can disable the device if you want to, uninstall the device, but update driver is the one you need to get to. See if you can update it. If you can, that's fair enough. Like cordless device there, and could update. It could do with updating that really. You see them errors there. The drivers for this device are not installed. Update driver. Right, Windows is unable to do that, so you go to Windows Update and it'll try it. Right, that's what happens. Right, so you do that. That one actually is just a USB connection. That's all it is. So there's no problem with it really. But it's just saying that the device driver is not installed for that one. But I ain't worried about that because it still works. So there's no problem there. Right, but that's what you should do. Right, you need to do anything like that. Okay, then once you've done that, make sure there's no other apps running. At the moment I've got Movavi Suite running because I'm having to use it to do the screen capture, right? But usually I don't have anything else running, then I put on Create Studio 3. So we'll go to Create Studio 3. I'll put them all in separate folders so that I don't cover all my screen and my desktop, you see. So anyway, you go on to Create Studio 3. You do your video, whatever video you want to do. So you do a new project, put some backgrounds on. Right, there you go. Then go to here, put another background on there, I suppose. There, put that one on. Right, so you got a couple of backgrounds there. Look, see. Right, now you can go in there, click on in between, add hyper jump. Right, so he goes from there. You go into the scene of the Earth from right, and then it goes wow onto the new world as it is, and you can have character on it. So let's go back over here, put a character on, the new character he'll do, and I'm going to change him to a spaceman. Right, so I just need to change his style. He's got his astronaut boots, astronaut pants. You don't need astronaut hair, he needs an astronaut hat. There you go. And you got any glasses? No, you don't need glasses for that, does he? No. This is anything else, don't need that. Accessories, I haven't got any gloves. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have to use these gloves and change the colour. Right, so I can change the colour of them, just go on there, down to the gloves, change the colour to white. That's better. Right, so that looks like properly done man. Now I'll just change the action. I can either use under the flying and waving, or flying. So I can do that. Right, so it's flying and waving, so we'll do that. We need to get him coming first, don't we? Motion. So I'm going to start with, let's just stop that a minute. Where am I? Let's stop back to the beginning. One here. Motion. In. Scale. That's it. Coming from the left. So that's what we'll do. We'll have him coming from the left. So he's coming from the left. And he flies in like that. That should actually fly in from there, really. So I'll just bring it like that so it comes in really fast. Like so. Like that. Whoa, that's too much. Now, go back a bit. Try that. I think we ought to do that slower, so it comes in really slow. Yeah, because that means he's like drifting. That's better. Yeah, that's pretty good. Right, so now what we need to do is take that back a bit like that. Then when it goes to that bit, he's going to change from there. So there's our man. And when he changes to there, we're going to put another man in there in normal gear. Right, so we'll have the man in normal gear when he gets to there. We go like that, and he's there, so we need to bring him down. And we can have him do some different action. Eating a sandwich, that's what we'll do, we'll have him eating the sandwich. Now, let's just check that one off. We need to change that, and just change that one. Delete that one. There you go. So he's eating a sandwich now, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to have him flipped over as well, I think. I think we're going to flip this character. So, settings. Need to get him on settings. Hang on. Where's the settings for him? Down there. It should have more settings. Oh, properties. There it is. Duh. I forgot where it was then for a second. Let's try that. Oh, he's sitting on nothing, but he's eating a sandwich. That was clever. So we just need to adjust that a bit. Back that way. So that's the end of the video anyway. When he's sitting in thin air when he's eating his sandwich, which doesn't look good, but there you go. Right, so what I need to do is get an effect or something. Media, let's have a look, see what else we've got. Shapes, get a box, just put a box. Square, let's just do that one. Right, and then just click it over there. Just put it down a bit, like that. So it's like a box, and put that behind him. So we need to put that beneath him. There you go. There we go. He's sitting on the box then. Like that. Right. So that looks a bit better when you're sitting on a box at least. So we go like that. I could have put a bench or something, but it doesn't matter for the moment. I'm just showing you how to get it to do a video. Like, so we've got a video there. It might not be the best, but what you do is you save it. So you click on that icon there, and it comes up with the project name that you want to put on. So let's do astronaut. We'll call it astronaut because he was an astronaut. Right, and it's going to be .cspro. That's your project name. Right, that's saved. Then you can go to publish. Right, now with the publish, you've got different options. You've got video, and you've got MP4, WebM, or MLV. Now, a MOV file gives you transparency. WebM also can give you transparency, but an MP4 can't, right? But you still have to work with a WebM. With MLV is pretty good. So anyway, you can do an image as well, and you can do audio. But I haven't put any audio on, so it won't come up, won't show. But if you do try to publish just your audio, it only gives you MP3 and WAV files. With images you can have PNG or JPEG, and with video you've got them three. Right, now if you're doing the video, which is what you normally do anyway, you'll get your quality, which is standard 8, and you got all these other choices plus custom as well. Then you got your size, which is defaulted to full HD. Right, and then it's got end with last frame, or it says end with empty frame as well. So I don't know why they do that. Why don't they just say end with, and then you can put your own frame in? I don't know why they don't do that. As well as that, you got this, use the old rendering engine. Right, now if you can't use the new rendering engine for some reason, you can always click on that one and use the old rendering engine. But I wouldn't do that first. What I would do is say if you've done all this and then you want to put your video out, say, oh, that's all right, I'm just going to show you. It comes up blank, right, because you haven't put your output file. You need to select your output file first, and then put like the video where you're going to put it. You can put it anywhere you want. So I'm going to put it on my desktop, and it's just call it video, and just do that, save that, and then it should process. If it doesn't process like this, that's doing pretty quick really. So if it's stuck on 0, right, then you go to the HW acceleration there and turn that off. Right, if that doesn't work, then use the old rendering engine. Right, you can do that with everything I've already told you, and doing this, it should work easily. If it doesn't work after that, right, after you've tried using taking off the HW acceleration or using the old rendering engine, then you need to speak to support. And what you should do is also get a video capture if you can. If not, just do screenshots of everything that's going on. So you might have to do 6 or 7 screenshots, and then take it to support and let them know what's actually happening. Right, I hope this tutorial helps you in getting a good render of your Create Studio 3 videos, and if so, please like and subscribe to Tony's Tutorials. Thank you very much.